Yo mga kasoward, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Planet So Weird dahil tingnan nyo, ito yung naregalo nila sa akin nung second anniversary nila na ginanap doon sa Jandel ng Bukana. At ayan o, ang gandang plaque nito. Basahin ko lang, no? Yan, for Jeffrey Agravante aka Japper Sniper, for his continuous success as a content creator, blogger, YouTuber, and selfishly sharing his thoughts and ideas in vlogging. A father on influencer to his Sword family and community. Planet Sword, as part of his Sword community, recognized and would like to congratulate Mr. Japper Sniper for his wonderful career and reaching 1 million subscribers. Yan o, 1 million subscribers given on this date, September 24, 2024. Awarded by Planet Sword. Pinirmahan niya ni Nanay Mo Fun Fitness. Ang ganda nito, grabe. Salamat sa effort. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. Yan. Tsaka sakto sa 1 million subscribers dahil halos magkasabay lang nung 1 million ako. Malapit na rin ang anniversary ng Planet So Weird. Yan. Thank you very much. At ito yung una eh. Ito yung una na binigay sa akin. Unang first anniversary. Ganda. Maraming salamat sa Planet So Weird tsaka kay Nanay Mo Fun Fitness. Thank you. I love you. Tingnan ko.